In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset charts on Etoro in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just beginning to dip your toes into the world of stocks and cryptocurrencies, having a clear and fresh chart is crucial for making informed trading decisions. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to reset your chart confidently and efficiently, ensuring you can always analyze data accurately. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Etoro's official website. Once you've reached the home page, you should see the usual welcome prompts and the wide array of investment offerings that Etoro is known for, from stocks and cryptocurrencies to ETFs. If you're not already logged into your account, it's time for the next step. Locate the Login button, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the site. Clicking this will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Be sure to use your correct email and password. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's an option to reset it right there. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Etoro homepage. This is essentially the command center of your trading activities, where you can track various markets and your portfolio's performance. To proceed, we want to navigate to the part of the site where you can manage and discover new investments. So, go ahead and click on Discover. The Discover section is a hub for exploring different financial instruments and markets. Here, you can find the specific asset you want to work with. Maybe it's a particular stock you've been monitoring or a cryptocurrency you're eager to trade. Once you've pinpointed the asset you're interested in, click on it to continue. After clicking on your chosen asset, you'll see an option to trade. This will open a new window where you can execute trades, view information, and make necessary adjustments. However, our focus today is resetting the chart. So you need to pinpoint the Chart button, usually positioned conveniently within the same interface. Give it a click. Now that you've accessed the chart, the final step to resetting it is straightforward. You'll notice the Delete option, generally placed among the chart's tools or settings. Selecting Delete will clear the current chart setup. Providing a fresh canvas for your next trading analysis, you've successfully reset your chart on Etoro. With these steps, you can ensure that your charts remain uncluttered and ready for new strategies. Remember, keeping track of your chart history and resetting when necessary is a smart move in making well-informed trading decisions. Explore wisely and happy trading.